actually checked if any of this is working, but let's mother fluff and hope so. Think we all up? I'm gonna check audio this time because last time that was a bit of a problem, was it not? Let me just add the Discord. Everyone streaming. Go, go, go. Oh, that's good enough. Alright, I was thinking of doing more 5-minute today. I'll wait for some people to join, but that sounds good to me. What's good, Remy? How you doing, brother? How are you doing? Yeah, let me check audio this time. Yeah, no, that sounds chill. Cold. I'll probably just get started. Why not? Not much to wait for. What do I trade 5-minute on? Or nah, I'm gonna backtest AN. I haven't really backtested it. Yeah, nah, I'm doing good, bro. Honestly, had a really good day. I don't know. It's nice chilling on a weekend after like a 8 week, you know. Let the brain rest type shit. But yeah, chilling. So yeah, I'm thinking about trying out AN 30-minute today because RD has obviously backtested it since it's in the watch list, but I've not done much personal backtesting, so I don't really know how it acts or nothing like that. So I'm just gonna go back to like March time, April time's chill. I think it's just when markets start getting high again. Already coming off with like a somewhat zone there. What's good? Of course I'm on my shit, bruh. You already know who it is. Yeah, bruh. Yeah. Backtesting AN today. Mangoe. Because I was just saying how I haven't really done much personal backtesting. Like I'm just going off the words of others. Which is never bad, but I like to look at shit for myself sometimes, you know what I mean? I'm doing good, bro. How you doing? How's your trading week? Everything like that. Looks like we're retracing, so I'm probably just gonna deactivate this one demand anymore, and I'd be a bit concerned. I guess break, because I didn't really give any other entry. You know, the week was pretty good. Oh, I'm just really trying to figure out how I can I think it's more just my schedule and stuff like that. I seem to be missing trades. I think that's the one thing I need to work on overall. Apart from that, I think I'm on a really good track currently. I was pretty unsure of this one, just considering we did break through this huge resistance, but since we also re-broke it, I was just thinking we could go up potentially. That was right before 1:30 anyways. It's hard backtesting when you literally just don't know what news there is. Unless I go on FOREX Factory on like every single day, but that's a little bit long, if I'm honest. Let's just keep going. It looks like we're downtrending, obviously, but I'm just going to try and get a better feel for the market structure. I'm quite zoomed in. It's always like different when I'm backtesting how zoomed in I am. It's like right now, I'm like really zoomed in, so this is like 3 days, and then sometimes I'll be like here. So I got to keep that more consistent as well, for real. Demands are hitting as well, but I'd say I'll just chill out for now. Get no food. Funky ass wicks all around here. Well, it's just AN, isn't it? Like, I haven't really looked at it, but it seems to be weirder than most pairs. Well, looking at it, not really. Maybe it's just a weird day. It seems to be really volatile at random points. Yeah, that volatility just comes and goes. When does the Sydney session open? Yeah, I just need to get better with those entries, like I was saying. I think I'm just going to be hard chilling, just cruising. Obviously getting better with every day, but just on the right track. I think that's what excites me the most, just go in the right direction. Alright, we seem to be pretty bullish right now. If you break this high, then I'll be full in for buys, but until then, a little bit up in the air. I'd say I would take buys because there's not really any. I guess this supply, but it's nothing that I would take. It's just like against me. So I'd have to see if we just drop from there. Okay, yeah, that's invalidated it. Oh, that was low-key one, but it's just like bordering that one wick liquidity type shit. I mean, it isn't, there's 2 candles, but it still seems like it. I'm not going to add this to any logs, but I just want to see if that would hit. Just like the looking kind of setup. It did? Wow. It's just, it seems so, like such a temperamental setup. But I mean, that shit hit. It's got everything right, like the liquidity, and it broke the high. Guess I'm just complaining. We're now hitting this high, so if we do break through, then that would be insane for buys. It does. It really does look good. It's such a weird. I think I've got no energy because I hate to be talking about it so much because I feel like I'm that guy that like does something and then just always talks about it. But I fasted yesterday, so I'm like, yeah, so fucking exhausted today. Let's go to T Blunky. That is a sick name. T Blunky. That shit rolls off the tongue. I love that. Like, yeah, what time is this? 2:30 AM. It's just like the most voluminous candle. That could be quite nice to see, to be fair. When you're in a trade at like overnight, come back to that shit hitting. But yeah, since adding it, I think there's been 1 AN pair, and that shit hit 1 to 3 at least. Pretty sure. Pretty sure. Reusing that shit. It's always a bit of a funky one where we're kind of breaking structure to the downside, but a demand forms. You're good, bro. You're good. Yeah, invalidated anyways. Let's see this demand down here. How old is it? Yeah, that's all good. That we're getting on the Friday. But it's not too late. If it actually does want to tap. Doesn't look like it does. Yeah, now we're off. Shit. I'm fully only looking for buys, but I feel like that is the way to go right now. Considering we've broken all of these highs. Pretty strong resistance around this point too, which we're just clearly broken through. How do you for the full perfectly backtested results? Oh yeah, that's facts. Is that I'm not gonna spend too long trying to find it if I can't, but I won't show it on stream because that is insane value, but I will look at it. 30 minute, all the way back at 13th of April. That is so far back. He backtested all of it. That's crazy. It's on every pair. Fella is on it. On the 14th. Back here. Oh, I was on the 10th. Okay, yeah, I don't know what he's talking about here, but he did take this one. With what entry? With flip. I think he's using a different market to me. No, he isn't. Just looks different. Sorry about that. That was like so hard to find for me for some reason. So we did actually take this one, and it hit an insane risk to reward. But he took on flip. That's going for demands like quite soon though. But I mean, who am I to say something like that? Yeesh. Full 1 to 9 as well. Oh, just do this swing. That is insane. I don't know if I'm looking at it right. No, was that the one below? Oh, I'm looking at the wrong trade. And is it also stronger like that? I still need to learn all that with this pair. That's kind of why I'm backtesting now. I think it was back here, and then he took flip on this candle, and that was a... He has it under, but it looks like it's over 15 pips. 15 wicks. Yeah, it was like 16, but I just still put it on the candle because why not? And yeah, it's for a 1 to 9. That's always good to see when you're backtesting a new pair. Mother fluffing 1 to 9. I'm not making that a saying of mine, by the way. Mother fluffing. I've just kind of got in the habit of saying it because it's so satisfying to say. I'm not becoming like family friendly. No. You can't really get in on flip anywhere here. I guess close, but I've already seen the move happen. I just thought it wasn't a good entry, so I didn't really bother to wait and see, but I guess I should. Is that also another? Didn't actually tap yet, but this is getting so messy. I'm just kind of placing shit for real, but this first setup looks quite nice. Just not the strongest liquidity. You know, it's pretty temperamental. And then this one is the smallest. That's probably a close entry, to be fair. Why I say that is literally we closed pretty close to zone here, so getting in on flip would be so much riskier than just waiting for a close like that. Yeah, get stopped out anyway. Can't be bothered to see for a re-entry, but yeah. Is it just my earphones, or does this song have like the craziest fucking bass? That shit is tearing my headphones up. Are we hitting any resistance or anything like that? Kind of like a swing, but we've already broken these pretty major swings, so I'm sure we got potential to keep rising. Keep rising. So I don't know accents. I was gonna say it sounds like raisin, but just gonna leave that one there, to be honest. I know none of you asked, but this shit is fire. It's like a pineapple smoothie, for real. Trying to be on my health shit, but I don't know, I'm just shit. I feel like eating unhealthy is so much easier than eating healthy, but I'm not trying to be that person that skimps out type shit. I need to get a new camera. This one is pissing me off. Sitting on this fattest gap. Surely we've got to retrace. I say, let me just keep running. Doesn't have to retrace straight away, I guess, but it's always quite worrying to see. That's also a low-key one, but I feel like these are such nothing zones. Yeah, that's going straight through. It's kind of funny how, like, the more you look at zones, you know when it's about to just shoot through type shit. That was a nothing zone there, like I was saying. This one's nice, but is it even valid? Oh yeah, we've got no volatility right now. But we're sitting on those gaps. Like, there's so much to think about. And we have another zone below, so it's low-key middle zone. I'm gonna say I'm not gonna take this. Look at that shit. Because we had this zone up here, which got invalidated, and this one's not even at the start of the move. So if it comes down there, I'd take this one, but even here, the volatility still isn't that good. Volatility? The liquidity still isn't even that good. Oh, but when it moves like that, that's what I hate with backtesting. It's like you don't know if it hit flip. Did it go up after it tapped? I'll just wait for bullish close or break of candle, I guess, just to be safe. Just like that. I don't think there's any like spreads, but I am gonna add like another pip and a half to that because that is right on the edge of zone. I'll say just one pip, because like you add 2 pips on other pairs, and this is like half of other pairs, so. And have we still not broken past this swing? Oh no, that was all the way down there. I just wonder if there's no any reason why I shouldn't have taken that. Well, I mean, I guess I'll see if these want to get filled anytime soon, but I don't think you can really predict when that's going to happen. Oh, that is all of them filled already. There's no demands under this that I can capitalize off. We'll see if we want to go up after filling those, or I'm just going to keep bearish, because that is pretty crazy. If we break this swing, then I'm going to consider us bearish again. I'll just move this, I guess. Kind of looking for supplies right now, but maybe shouldn't, considering we are getting to the bottom of a swing if we are going to continue higher. Oh yeah, I'd be full in for buys right now. Oh, that's crazy. I guess it kind of did close in zone, but should I be allowing it to close like right on the edge like that? Because that is insane rejections. Yeah, I guess I considered that close inside. I guess so as well, because considering it is a stronger pair where that equates to like a full pip inside. Don't know if that's waffle, but break the high. I hate when a market structure is so confusing. That is valid, but it's nothingness liquidity, like usual. Alright, we've broken that low then. Arsenal or Man U, are they playing each other? Is that today? I'm gonna say Man U. I don't know, I don't actually follow football, but back in like primary school, I liked Arsenal and then Man U. But Man U more recent, so I'm saying Man U for real. I hope I haven't just ruined your day by saying that. This is seeming like quite a weird pair, but yeah, I'm sure I'll get the hang of it. Why? Who are you rooting for today then? Sugarami. My chat is the fucking sickest names, I swear. Don't really know if I should be in for buys. We have kind of tapped into this probable higher time frame demand, if I dare say. Does look like it. Times by 8. That would be valid for a 4-hour zone. So I guess I would be in for buys. If it wants to reject. Oh, I hate that. It's so embarrassing when there's not even any lower wick. Is Arsenal like who everyone fucking likes right now? Or is that just you? Does Man U stink now? I know nothing about football. My bad, bro. Like, what is that candle at 5:30 AM? You know what I mean? Is that just price correcting, or Was there news that early? Oh yeah, I need to add on a Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar news onto my filters. There's no board on here. No, I've already got it tagged, so I'm just done. My bad, guys. Apply. What we got this week? Inflation expectations, PPI and CPI. This is a fat stack. That's all at 130. I guess it's usually like that on CPI. I'd say that's pretty good, to be fair. Thursday, Friday, Wednesday's a bit scary. Only guess Tuesday, but apart from that, that is looking chilled straight on. I'm just gonna have to wait and see what price does from here. That was nice. But it's like, once again, no, I guess we have broken highs here. I guess in like a major kind of time frame, that is a full swing. So I could expect to go up from here. Yeah, I'd say I'm in for buys. So close to invalidating as well. Yeesh. I can never tell if you're British, South African or Australian. I am British, full-blown British, but I'm going to take that as a compliment, because at least I don't sound posh to sound. Well, I guess I kind of do. I always used to get told that I sounded posh, but I don't believe it. AN is such a weird pair. Personally, I don't... Well, no, I'm definitely going to trade it, but it is moving a lot different to what I'm used to. Like, I feel like GJ has such clear direction. Well, I guess that's the same for every JPY pair. Yeah, this one's kind of smoothing. That's a bit better. We did just break low, but after breaking highs, so once again I'm just gonna have to see. So we just consolidate. So this is like the main area that if it breaks through that, maybe a tiny bit higher. But yeah, if we break this swing, then that was just in 4 hours, so I just skipped so much time. But regardless, like there's sells up here I could take, but I'm really just unsure. Yeah, literally. There was a new RD webinar today, so gonna check that out in a little bit. I'm excited for that, to be fair, because I feel like my main thing is market structure. Well, not even market structure. I know when we're bullish or bearish, but it's just like maybe on the 30-minute I'm not the most certain. So I don't know how important 30-minute direction is in the grand scheme of things. I think it's kind of all you look at, but oh, I hate that. Oh, no, I think it's invalid actually. Let me see more precisely. Oh, we close right on the edge of zone. Yeah, I'd say 15 pips is max, so I'm just going to call this one invalid and move on. Right. Let me put on a hypothetical, you know, sticking to rules. Has that already hit a 1 to 3? Is that actually that crazy? Yeah, so it hit 1 to 3 and then lost, but still. Such a weird thing to look at. That is so comical. Well, I guess it's kind of in zone anyways. Especially if I actually mic up correctly. Yeah, that's a big no anyways. Let me zoom out, quickly see once more. Structure. Until we break this low, I can never be sure. I've got it mic'd up and stuff. I thought Bros was about to run and break that low. Just listening to me like, oh shit, bet. I'm hating this so much. Maybe it's just a smelly month. Let me go over RD's backtest results and see what he's doing. I don't think I've already missed any, to be fair. Wait, is this April? No, I'm in May now. Ah, I think I missed a few. Does look like it. Let me go to May and see.
That's why I don't really teach anybody. Like, I don't never really help anybody with music because they never take it serious.
Yeah, nah. May was just pretty stinky, I think.
This is what you want to do to make money. Just
Looks like it.
that's fine. But I do this because I love it.
Bit far. I just wanted to get out of it. Fucking dry spell. Now I'll be a bit more on it. And I'll actually look. Shit's fire, bro. I saw there's like 2 bananas in this and all. So, that shit is thick. That's not tapped yet. No, it's invalidated, so we just keep it moving for real. It's invalid as fuck. I don't hate this zone. If it wants to tap, I don't hate this zone at all. Long on flip, since we wicked quite far in, so, and we were quite far away from zone, so flip's a lot less risky if it wants to go that high anyways. 1 to 3 the first TP. I did actually quite like that setup. Broke highs, not very convincingly, but it looked intentional for the market to do. Created even more liquidity here from that. I don't hate that at all. I'll take that loss on the chest for real. That's going to be my mission for this week. Just get a really firm grasp on our market structure. I feel like it's such a that was gonna be a cringe word, but I was gonna say elementary, like quite a simple thing to get a grasp on, but it is so important. 22nd to 10th, that's so old. Why am I even looking back there? double bottom, so we'll see. But still broke through. Should break that high. Now I'm in for buys. Anyone at appear? Let me check on some different music because I played the same shit yesterday. Shit hits when I'm backtest now, I'm not gonna lie. Such money making music. I've been on the 4 hour. Oh, I've been on the 4 hour. You're a real one in chat, but fuck. How did I not realize? I need to go back to June, bro. Oh, so embarrassing. I went on 4 hours to look at market structure. That's so toxic. That's enough to make me cry, for real. Yo, what's good, bro? How you doing? I was not meant to be on the 4 hour. So let's start that again, shall we? I thought June was just looking shit. I thought I was getting through that pretty fucking quick. Looking like pretty convincing buys, but we're still overall downtrending. I thought we're kind of up and down right now, but as of right now we're going up. So I'll just be chilling looking at buys. Everybody watching, don't forget to like up the stream. That would be much appreciated. I don't really know what it does, but I like seeing that number get bigger, for real. That's what she said. That one didn't even make sense, that was just a poor attempt. I guess this is start move, but 1 wick again. Yeah, I'm glad it wasn't for like the whole stream, because I would have looked back or some shit and just absolutely cried. I think I was only on it for like 5 minutes, so yeah, we big chillin'. I think I got such mixed opinions on UK music, bro. Like, sometimes I feel it, sometimes I think it's shit. But I'm feeling it right now. Like, that's the weirdest candle. It's always 5:30. Maybe that's the time for news. Let me check FOREX Factory, because that seems to be pretty recurrent for AM. Yeah. Okay, so that's Australian dollar. That's moving the market like that. I'll keep an eye out for that. That's like the Australian 130, I guess. Not exactly. Well, maybe. I can't be bothered to do the math. I'm actually going to do the math. 5:30 AM GMT. So Australian? I don't know what that is. It's 3:30. But still, you get my point. 540 subs. That is actually pretty crazy to me. I always forget that I'm actually like, I don't know. Ah, I like it. Thank you so much, guys. I know there's not 540 people watching, so I can't thank all of you, but I appreciate it. There's not really any demands right now. Yeah, still just started June. The 30-minute actually goes a lot slower than I sometimes think. Like, sometimes I think, well, slower, like there's more candles in the day than I think. Sometimes I feel like, oh yeah, a few candles and then the day's done, but I'm not doing that math again. 48 candles until the day's done. That's just one day. A full week, you get so many opportunities if you actually wait for them. I'm telling myself that, I'm not telling you guys that. Pineapple is such an elite fruit. Just thought I'd put that out there. I swear that's probably top 5 best things to ever happen to the world. That's pretty controversial to say, but pineapple's pretty good like that. Maybe not that good. That was pretty crazy. Just gotta take it slow. And on flip. Personally, from what I've seen, this has not really done too much. Wait, how many pips was that? 6.2. I'll just check it's like 7.2. 4.3. Oh, it seems to be pretty high. But I'd say there's potential to go higher. You seem pretty bullish. Yeah, cold. So that's first EP, but are we really going to run much higher than that? If we're already pushing through, I'd say we could. Oh, have I missed it? Oh, there you go. So that's first TP, and I'm just going to use fib retracement to actually see second TP. Let me put you guys on some sauce. Start the move. Oh, that's a short position. Where is it? Here. Start the move to the top of the move, and then to entry, and then see if it can fill the 1.618 mark for a 1 to almost 6. And oh shit, go. Mad. So we couldn't, but we still got 1 to 3. I'd close 50% all positions and then probably move to break even, so just turns into a risk-free trade. That is mad though. I don't know if there was actually any point up there. Maybe there's slight liquidity, but can't be bothered to get that precise with it. I was looking to round it up to 1 to 6 as well, so yeah, stick that at 1 to 3. Cold. There does seem to be less trades on this pair, but I guess that's why I have 5 pairs on my watch list. Just another one to look at for diversity. If there's some shit that happens, like those bank interventions. Was that this Monday? Or the Monday before? Monday before, yeah. Yo, what's good, Nonya? How you doing, brother? I do say that right? Or is there a pause between on and yeah? It's not really projecting off nothing right now. Sorry, I just locked in and didn't think about one thing. Like I locked into nothing. Any demands around here? Maybe down here, but once again doesn't really look like it's gonna come down here. Invalidate that demand. Does seem to cruise. I don't really know what I mean by that, but it just seems to keep moving, so you can't really hate it. Hold on, you. Grave. Let me see if this wants to hit. That was a joke, by the way. I don't actually sound like that when I rap. Please don't. Please don't leave. I guess you broke low, so the supply could be valid, but I don't like it anyways. To be fair, when I'm looking at liquidity, supply and demand, I literally only take buys, and it's not even intentional. It just seems to be what happens the most. Don't know if that's just straight up dumb to say, but that's what I seem to see. Brick highs. Getting the whole gang in here. That's good, wholesome. How you doing, brother? I'm really optimistic for this week. Last week was really good in the markets. I just didn't really manage to capitalize on it. But this week, I'm gonna be on it. Best believe. I want to get out live trades, but it's so hard on the 30-minute. So I think I'm just gonna keep up with that little series I've been doing. Don't know how good you guys like it, but I enjoy filming that so much more, and I feel like that's where you can really get consistency. You know, ambitious about that shit. It's a new concept, but I reckon they're gonna get better. I know they're gonna get better. It always just goes back to autumn. I think that's just my like recommended. Have I put this one already? Yep. I need to switch on my discography a tiny bit. Yeesh. Did we break high? And we failed to break low so far. Triple bottom. Unless you break through like that. No, we broke low as well. I hate market structure when it breaks highs and then lows, because you just have no clue what to think. Looks pretty bearish there, so. Yeah, I'm just letting the market do what it wants. None of these zones are going to be valid, like at all close to be, so. Do you actually like it? Thanks for saying that, because I feel like it's so different to my old shit. It's kind of like restarting, but I don't know. I guess it's nice to see all the, I don't know, all that work come back, you know what I mean? Like, it's just like starting over again. I like that. feel like this backtesting session I've had like a couple trades, maybe. It's been really weird markets. But I guess that's why you trade. Maybe it's just a bit of a dry spell for this specific pair. It's kind of like an area that where we've gone bullish from previously, so I'm not really looking to take sells. As for now, maybe if we break through, I'm not really looking to take anything. So yeah, this is like a time where I just trade a different pair for real. It wasn't the worst supply though, but there was no good entry apart from breakup candle, which I don't think, I mean, as of yet would have broken 1 to 3. Yeah, not at all close. I'll just track that on, but I don't think I'd take that. Stinkiest entry, although I guess it is actually max pip stop loss, which makes it a lot more manageable. Then even then we're breaking through all of these, well, this swing at least, so yeah, I wouldn't take, and that's why I'm just like that for rosies. Yeah, that'd be stopped there. Is this tapped? No, not yet. Potential demand. If I'm feeling a bit naughty, feeling a bit risky, because that is quite risky. As I was saying, that actually did wick in and reject again. After fell into break low, I'd be in for buys on a little bit of something like this. 2 swings of liquidity as well. I guess it's better than 1 wick when there's 1 here and then a couple up here as well. And then yeah, I was talking about flip, but it's another one of those moments where it's a bit dumb to say because you're already so far on the way to be. 230 as well. Is that New Zealand dollar news? Let me have a look at that. 230 is also, that'll be like 12.30. 230. 230. Go and see a dentist then. Oh, I hope you guys got that one because I found that really funny. But yeah, 230 and 530 seem to impact this shit so much. I always forget because it's so unfamiliar. I'm not even going to be up at that time. So I feel like I'm not really going to be getting many trades on this pair. Because I'm just putting it into it prospectively. It's like, oh, what was I just yapping about? Yeah, so I'm going to be taking trades. And then overnight there's so much news. So anytime there is red folder news, it seems to shoot it in an unpredictable manner. So a little bit scary, innit? A little bit of a scary concept. Just stop loss it. Just get out your first video for real. I feel like I was procrastinating it for so long. Like I knew I wanted to, but it's just getting out your first one. After that, you are hard chilling, bro. And you seem to be a pretty fucking nice guy. I'm sure that would be easy. You'll never know until you try, bro. Calm down! I don't really like how markets move into it anyways. Yeah, that's wank. And if this one... Wow, I'm so bad at speaking. How the fuck am I a YouTuber? If this one doesn't want to hit, then that is June over. Here in the next month, I think it's stopped out. I think I did miss one there. On the 28th. Let me go back and see if I can spot it. Ah, what buttons am I pressing? There's so many buttons on this shit. I'll just move back here, I guess. So I get context and that. That I skip straight through. Can't just like that. Was it this? Or is there a different... I know it's a supply, I'm just gonna look at it. Okay, so there was a couple zones. Supplies that I did take. Although I find the liquidity so weird. And it looks tapped. Oh no, that isn't tapped. I'm tripping with that one. What's the red square on your camera? Oh, it's that is just, it's okay, pretty much my camera is not meant to be a video camera, so it's so I'm just gonna say the word again because I love the word temperamental. Like it turns off a whole lot and has red squares on it for some reason sometimes. I think it adds to it. Is there gonna be a red square again? Is it gonna turn on again? This is why you watch Arga. Look at this shit. Oh, it's not even plugged in. Wow. There's still a red square on it. Sorry about that. I'll fix that for next time. That actually doesn't usually happen. It usually just tweets like that. I'll look into getting a new camera, guys. Anyone looking to buy a camera? It's also a supply up here. Oh, okay, this is the other trade. But once again, it's like, where really is liquidity? I took on flip of this candle. I keep getting fib retracement. I need to sort out, because that is the ugliest order ever. Just for a 1 to 3, so I don't really need to break any major lows. Yeah, that's right. Those are the 2 I missed. Because they're supplies. And I feel like I always miss those. Alright. I might look to wrap up stream in just a minute. This is just a shorter little backtesting sesh because I feel like I need to get in that work, especially with market structure. And now I'm testing this pair. I need to actually just relearn it. Like news timings, like 5:30 and 2:30 AM is exactly like 1:30 USD news. So they're both Australian dollar newses. So I need to just look at stuff like that. I don't think there's nothing else this month. Everybody that hasn't, like up the mother fluffing stream. No! Sorry. Didn't mean to shout at you guys. I love candles like that. Although the zone itself isn't really the nicest. Especially, well, I guess it's coming off the resistance. Strong resistance. Yeah, I'd be fine with, well, that's support, I guess. Sorry, I'm not a support and resistance trader. But when it goes far in and then flips, I feel like that's so, like it just shows so much rejection. So much rejections. Twice. And then it's 5:30 news. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Thank you so much, Setup, for actually proving what I was talking about. See guys, it's not me. It's not me. I don't really like this pair, not gonna lie. But I did win last week, so I guess I can't really be fussy like that. And also we were downtrending. And that news, well, I guess I didn't really give an entry. If you manage to get an entry here, then you are a next level sniper.
Time for the song that will get us chicks backstage.
But let's see if that wants to hit. Yeah, okay, so that hit 1 to 3, but maybe you could on the 30-minute, but I highly doubt you're going to be hitting that shit. Hitting that break a candle entry. Alright, I'm going to wrap it there for this stream. As we started playing some weird music, some mother fluffing Opeth. So, yeah, I'm going to get out another video for you guys tomorrow. It's already pretty much edited, so keep an eye out for that. I got some free sauce in there, so yeah, chuck on post notifications if you are subscribed. If not, subscribe. And if you're not subscribed, then you're likely not even following my Instagram, where I'm starting to post so much more about what I'm doing. Regardless, sometimes I try trade news. I should stop it because I always lose. That is probably not a smart thing to do. Honestly, there was one point, oh, I shouldn't have mentioned it. There was one point, I don't know if I was demo trading or if I was live yet, but I just traded so much news, and unfortunately, it's not really good description or, well, good practice, because I was winning them. Like, I was at the top of a fucking EU move, the supply hit, and there was no top wick, and it was unemployment claims or something, so yeah, it just makes me want to do it more. But you know, I learnt my lesson. Like, I know it's not provable or long-termable, reliable, reusable. There's some word there that I meant to say, but anyways, I'm yapping now, so I'm gonna go ahead and dip. It's been quite a fun one, to be fair. Let me see, anybody in the Discord? Great, Mango's hitting me up. Great. Yeah, I think that's all. Alright, I'll see you later, guys. That's all you can do during news, unless you're like a proper fundamental trader. But it is 50-50. Like, oh, maybe gaps to fill. News usually like to take liquidity, so if it's clear. But it's not reliable. There's not really any strategy that you can trade it with. Yeah, I will have a great week. It's gonna be a fucking lovely week. Don't you forget that wholesomely wholesome. You have a good week too. Everybody else watching, like up the stream before it ends. Let's get to 10 likes before we end. Woo! I don't think that's happening. I'll give it 10 more seconds. You have 10 seconds to like, otherwise I end the stream. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, quick, 5, 4, 3, 2,